Last week, I was craving one of Ghana's street foods, which we call Poloo. Essentially, it's fried coconut biscuits, okay? And I decided to make some, so join me as I share the recipe. Just so you know, all the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. I have here some all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in some grated coconuts. Desiccated coconuts also work for this recipe, but you would have to hydrate it a bit with maybe about a tablespoon or two of water before adding it to your flour. Next, I'll go in with some sugar, then my nutmeg, baking powder, and some salt to taste. And then I'll mix everything till all the ingredients are well combined. For added richness, I'm going in with some margarine as well. I'll mix that also in properly till everything is combined nicely. At this point, I'll be continuing the process with my clean hands. Let me take this pause to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers who keep coming back to watch my videos. I am so appreciative of you. If this is your first time also coming across my channel, hello, my name is Yasmi, and it's so nice to meet you. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. Also, I am on all the other social media platforms. The links to all my socials will be in the description box. Do check it out and follow me those places as well, okay? So now my mixture is looking good already. I'm going to go ahead and add in some coconut essence. You can use any flavor of your choice. I just wanted to elevate the coconut flavors, okay? The liquid I just added is also coconut water. And then I'll give it a good mix till all the ingredients are combined beautifully. So in this recipe, I did not use any water at all. I mean any ordinary water at all. As you can see, my dough has come together beautifully. We don't want it to be too sticky or too dry. So the next step will be to flour my working surface and then roll out my dough. I also floured my rolling pin with some of the flour, of course, so that the pin or the rolling pin doesn't get stuck onto the dough. So the thickness I'm looking to achieving is about 1/2 inch. If it goes too thin, I don't know, it loses the Poloo effect. Okay, so take note of that. If you've watched the video till this end, I'm super grateful. Please consider liking the video. Give me a thumbs up, right? Leave a comment down below once you're done watching and share the video so it reaches others as well. So as you can see, I'm dividing my dough into the Poloo shapes, okay? I think ideally you can make them into any shapes you like, okay? But this is the, do I say authentic Poloo shape that I'm cutting out my dough into. So let's just stick to these shapes to get the authentic feel, okay? So my dough is all cut out now and ready to be fried. I have some oil already heating up on fire. I'm going to go in with some margarine. So the margarine is going to add some flavor to the oil. You can use butter if that's what you have, okay? Once the margarine is all melted and you see this sizzling, you can go ahead and drop in your Poloo. Be sure not to overcrowd your pot or pan, and then fry this until golden brown. You'd have to keep a close eye on it so that you can keep turning to avoid any burns. So my first batch is ready. I'm going to continue frying till I exhaust all my dough, okay, or my biscuits if you like. Once again, a gentle plea to like my video so that YouTube pushes it to other audience, okay? Our Poloo or Ghana coconut biscuits or fried coconut biscuits is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will try it. Until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.